this is an apple tree that we're going to be planting, and I like to explain that the trees we're planting are actually mutant trees. The reason why I call them mutant trees is they've been altered, they've been changed. So there's actually two trees in one here. So it's pretty obvious with this one. So do you see how they started growing one tree here and see how it kind of changes direction right there? So that's where they actually took a branch of, this is like a Honeycrisp apple, and they cut into this one and stuck the branch in there, and now they're growing a Honeycrisp. So if it sprouts out from down here, that's going to be a different type of apple. Does anybody have a favorite type of apple? Yeah, what's your favorite type? Cosmic. So imagine you're eating a cosmic apple and you think to yourself, this is cosmically good. This is like a delicious apple. So I'm going to take the seed out of it and plant it in the ground. If you do that, that's great to grow. You can grow an apple tree that way, but the chances are you're not going to end up with a cosmic apple from that tree. Just like people, it's the DNA, the genetics, and pollination. So if, does anybody here look exactly like one of your parents? So yeah, maybe like 1 in 10 of the cosmic apple seeds you plant might look kind of identical to the cosmic, but it's not going to be exactly the same. Just like people, apples are the same way. So you could end up with an apple that nobody's ever seen before by planting a seed. So we've got some really neat apples that we planted. So we just planted a red field apple that has red on the inside. And we're also going to plant a black Oxford apple that was actually discovered in Oxford County, Maine. And it's like a purple and black tie-dye apple. And so somebody just came across that apple because it probably got in the ground from maybe another apple somebody was eating, or a bird dropped it, and it grew into this really neat tree that had purple and black tie-dye on it. So they started grafting it, because grafting is the only way to get the variety you know you want. So the only way to get the cosmic apple you know you want is to take a branch of, say, a cosmic apple and put it onto the rootstock of another apple and grow it out. Because otherwise, if you grow it from seed, you don't know what you're going to get. But if you do grow a tree from seed, an apple tree from seed, you might end up discovering a really neat apple nobody's ever seen before, like a purple and black tie-dye apple, like a black Oxford. So the other neat thing is you can actually keep grafting more varieties onto this. So this is a red apple, but you could also put like a green apple. You could graft a green apple onto this, and a golden apple, and a red in the inside apple. So you could put 10 different color apples or more on this one tree. So apples, you could put any apples you want on apples, but like the cherry family, stone fruits, is a bigger family. It's called the Prunus family, and you could put a cherry, a plum, a peach, a nectarine, even almonds. They're all in the same family. You could have a fruit and nut medley tree. Isn't that crazy? Yeah. Should we plant some trees? Might as well. Might as well.